Hey everyone, if you've accidentally deleted a file or folder on your computer and it's been permanently removed, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to use a Windows tool to recover any lost files or folders. Before we start, there are two places you should check to confirm your files are really gone. The first place to check is your recycle bin. Open the Start menu, search for Recycle Bin, and click on it. Normally, when a file is deleted, it goes into the recycle bin before being permanently deleted, so it's always a good idea to check there first. If the recycle bin is empty and you don't see your file, that's perfectly fine. Let's move on to the next step. The next place we need to check is File History. To do this, search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it. In the Control Panel, set the view by option to Category, then click on System and Security. Under File History, check if it's turned on. If it is, you may be able to restore files from here. However, since it's turned off on my computer, we'll need to try something else. Now, let's use the Windows File Recovery tool. Start by opening the Microsoft Store through the Start menu. Once there, type Windows Recovery into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see an app called Windows File Recovery with a blue icon. Click Get to install it. After installation, you can open it directly from the store or by searching Windows File Recovery in the Start menu. When the app opens, you'll see two options, Regular and Extensive. The regular mode is for files that were deleted recently, while the extensive mode is for older files. For most situations, regular mode should work fine. If it doesn't, you can always try the extensive mode. To begin, type WinFor followed by a space. Then, specify the drive where the file was located before it was deleted. For example, if the file was on the C drive, type C and press space. Next, you need to choose a different drive to restore the file to. It's important that the file is restored to a drive different from the original one. I'm using a USB drive, which is labeled as D, so I'll type D and press space. Next, type regular and hit Enter to perform the regular scan. If this doesn't work, you can try the extensive mode, but note that it will take longer to complete. To narrow down the search, you can specify a folder by typing and followed by the folder name. For example, if your file was in a folder named Photos, type that name. You can also filter by file type, such as *.jpg for images or *.pdf for PDF files. Once you've entered your command, press Enter and the scan will begin. You'll be asked if you want to proceed. Simply press Y and hit Enter. The scan will run, and you'll need to wait until it finishes. Once completed, you can go to the destination folder where the files were stored. In my case, I chose the D drive, and that's where my recovered files are located. If the Windows File Recovery tool doesn't work, you can try another method using a free tool called Recuver. Open your browser and go to the website ccleane.com/recuva. Scroll down to the free download section, click it and install the tool. Once installed, launch Recuva and follow the on-screen steps. You'll have several options for recovery, including all files if you're not sure what type of file you're looking for. If you remember it was an image, you can select pictures. The same goes for music and documents. After choosing, click Next and specify the location where the file was stored. If you're unsure, you can leave it as I'm not sure. Recuva also has a deep scan option. I recommend starting with a regular scan first, and if it doesn't find your files, you can try the deep scan later. Keep in mind that deep scan can take a long time to complete. Once you're ready, press Start to begin the scan. After a few minutes, Recuva will show you a list of the deleted files it has found. In my case, it found over 340,000 files. If you know the folder or file type, it helps narrow down the results. I hope these tools help you recover your deleted files. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.